Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Now, the observant of you will have spotted that the big job has broke out again. I have more or less finished the floor for the workshop, which is going really well. I've been filming that as I've gone along, so there'll probably be a video out about that next week. And I was wrapping this up yesterday and doing my Friday evening YouTube viewing and noticed that I'd hit 4,000 subscribers, which I am so much over the moon about, to be honest. So I've decided to do a giveaway, which I've a bit random to do on 4,000, but I've never done one before. And to be honest, I've had loads of really nice feedback and comments recently about some of the stuff I've been doing, so it's a little bit of a thank you and hopefully for one lucky winner out there. So my a video I did recently, I looked at comparing different sanding discs, 150mm sanding discs from various companies, which I think's been a help to quite a few of you out there when you've been selecting, picking some new ones. So I've decided to do a sanding disc giveaway. So it will include I'll throw in some Festool granite discs, I'll throw in some 877 line discs, I'll throw in some Abranet Ace discs. I will also throw in some aluminium oxide trend discs and also a few trend mesh discs as well. So in total, I'll probably put about 30 odd in a little pile, and I will do worldwide postage on this as well. So this is open to anyone wherever you are in the world. Now, obviously there are a couple of little conditions on this giveaway. Firstly, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will leave a link in the description for you to click on, which basically is a random name generator. It just collates all the details. It will require an email address, so please be mindful of that. And then I will pick the winner. We'll let it run till next Sunday, so we'll let it run till the 28th of March. And then I'll do the random name generator thing. I will announce it probably on a YouTube short video. I've never done one before, but I'll figure out how. And I'll also announce it on a short video on Instagram as well. So this is open to any of my social media subscribers. I will direct them towards the channel and obviously the YouTube viewers as well. So hope you like that idea. It'd be great for you to do your own comparisons then, because you'll have a variety of different discs to have a go with. So that's pretty much it, folks. I need to crack on with this. I've got the end to trim and then I've got to seal the edges. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So get involved, click on the link. Take care everyone, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks very much.